Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11. Today I'm going to do a reading on coronavirus pandemic. What could be, a likely outcome in the months coming ahead? How far we are getting, towards eradicating or getting away with this. So we'll just see till December month I will do the readings. Till December 2020, and just find out the likely outcome. So let's see the cards. Till June, we all mid-June today, we all have been looking inwards. Healing. There's healing because there's healing. There's confusion, fear of death. There is financial crisis. We have restricted ourselves, like staying indoors. All of us have emotional breakdown, loss of lives. Now, self-control is what is the need of the hour. Also, we feel that we have no control. We are powerlessness. We are waiting. So we are just waiting for a miracle, or you are waiting for a vaccine or a drug, just a way to just come out of this pandemic thing. Also, we can see that how we refocus ourselves, like our vision, and how we anchor ourselves in this to life, our life in to pain. So world has shut down. After May, the world started opening out in stages, like very phased out manner. So June, there are certain sections and certain institutions, businesses slowly opening up. So it's a phase wise opening. So from July, we'll see what the card has to say. So pull up 3 cards for July. So this is July month. The first card for July. Oh, we all are just worrying, and we are sad, and we're just thinking that, see, we have lost. We have lost so much, whether it's financial crisis or loss of life, fear of death. There's so much, and it's actually in July this still continues. It is a continuous stage. I feel the coronavirus is still spreading. People are still getting into this sad state. There is loss of life, the economy further going down. Although restrictions have been taken away, removed in a phased manner, but still long way to go because the losses are too much. So this is what we just not able to see. There are, of course, everything is not lost, and but still lot of things. We have lost lot of lives, lot of jobs, lot of financial crisis everywhere in the world. So this is like just being sad in the state. Everybody is in that stage of being very sad and stuck and don't know what to do, like in their it's a painful state still in July. I feel it's okay. So 8 of Pentacles. I feel here that people are the medical professionals, the scientists, everybody putting their hard work to. Also, not only them, everybody is trying to work hard to find a solution to this problem. 8 of Pentacles is like putting on a lot of hard work and effort. Also, maybe this is like working on their emotional loss. The emotional loss. They're working on every aspect, working hard towards getting towards the. There's with this corona pandemic, we are trying to get back on track. It's a new normal. There is a new normal thing because we need, all of us are using masks, sanitizing our hands and we were keeping ourselves clean. So the way we had life before, like very that has to change, and it has changed. So this is like everybody putting an effort emotionally and physically and trying to work hard to get back onto the track. Maybe it's a slow phased manner, but I still feel that there still the corona cases are in rise in certain countries, and there is still loss of life, and certain countries have peak of, yeah, here you can see the moon card. There's lot of still hidden information, lot of hidden, people are getting emotionally very there's an emotional crisis, like the faith is their faith is shaken. So July is like the confusion, and it also shows there is something hidden. I mean, it could be regarding a vaccine or thing, that there is still a lot of maybe it's also that how did the outbreak happen, and how come it started from China and across the world. So there are many hidden thoughts behind, which we are yet to find out. So the moon card represents there could also be a deceive, like with the spreading could the spread of the coronavirus could also be like a backstabbing or a deceive. Are likely, that is what July. So cases, still people are in fear, and they still. So we'll move to August. August. So let me pull up 3 cards for August. Usually the August, continuation of July, August, here you can see that people I feel still the hope hasn't come, and people are in despair. They are feeling sad, they are lost in the thoughts about the losses, the lives that has been lost, and so they're self-absorbed into within, they are just thinking within themselves. Although we could see a lot of restrictions. Here you can see there is a helping hand now. Maybe this is from the government, maybe from the, so that the people just could come out and live, the government could lift restrictions, and much more. I mean, the restrictions have already been lifted in May, late May to June in certain parts of countries, or across different countries in the world. But still here in a phased manner, there are restrictions, but people still have that fear, and they are sad, and it's like still cases are going up in August too. I mean, it's not about all the countries. It's about certain countries where the cases are at peak still, and lockdown continues in certain fields, certain selected institutions. People are trying to work. Maybe this could also represent the medical fraternity and the scientists working towards the vaccine. But I do not see any results as such coming. Okay, 10 of Cups. So it is showing that people are in this see this here, he's just thinking that he's self-absorbed. So it's self-absorbed, like they had a good time earlier, like last year or before this thing, they were thinking of all kinds of happiness that people had, and they had their family, they were with family, and overall happiness. So the self-absorption is like that they are lost in the thoughts, and they're just looking forward like when these days are going to come back. Still, the from here what I get, the information coming to me like is a message that the economy has started slowly moving, because there are phased manner restrictions lifted, because to earn a livelihood is again a very important thing. But lockdown still continues. The magician, here people are hoping, it's like some the universe doing something, magic. A magician can act like a magician and get this pandemic out of this planet. So people are praying, they are spiritually awakened, and they are hoping for something, like a magic coming and helping all of us out. So this is still, so this shows that people have still hoping things to get all right. And there are people that the coronavirus is still here. It's still here, and people have started coming out in phases with the new normal thing, like with mask and small group coming together, like social distancing. So that is it in August. But corona is very much still there. We'll pick up for cards for September. So September, sorry, just let me. Just give me a second. So September, it's a card of intuition, it's a card of balance, it's card of a very intuitive card. This is like, here I think people somehow have started realizing that the maybe in September the peak has come in certain places, and some places it just started receding. The virus thing has started receding, so people have become intuitive in the sense that they started feeling that okay, they can see some hope, maybe slightly, that corona might corona cases might just start falling down, or there may be reduction in certain places. But also I feel there could be a second wave, where already corona free area could have a second wave. Not all, it could be in few cities. So being intuitive is like people all trying to getting things like maybe their corona is reducing kind of intuition they have now. Still, people aren't into their best, the way they used to be, but the fight for the eradication of this virus continues. The research and the work still continues here. So this is it, the second card. Again, Four of Cups. I feel here when the Four of Cups is like with this intuitive card, maybe maybe we get we are just starting off with something which could be a positive news for the corona pandemic getting away slowly. So here in this case is that there could be, but maybe the people working on this aspect is not able to see this opportunity of try totally taking you totally knowing the thing. So we might miss out on something, but I feel no, there is a helping hand coming. Although we all are in this pain and grief and we are self-absorbed, there is a helping hand coming towards us. Let's see I think it's the same card. It's a continuation of July, August, people still, look waiting for this thing to happen. A good the phase that was during last year, they had this happy family. Everything was so balanced, and everything was so happy for all of us, financially, emotionally. So people are still waiting. So I personally feel that there might be, some cases of peak corona cases in certain areas, but definitely reduction in the number of cases coming across the globe from September. People are trying to resume, getting back to their work with the new normal, the new normal way of working, like wearing their masks, washing their hands, social distancing still continues, restrictions lifted. Also, I feel, the economy, the foundation of the economy, that the economy has really gone into a crisis, world economy. So people and the government has started to try to thinking to get, they're thinking to get the economy back, and they're just planning how to go about. So I'll pull one card because there is a repeat of 4 of Cups and 10 of Cups from August. So just pull up one more card and find out. Okay, so we have 4 of Pentacles for this card, and we'll put one card. Okay, this is 4 of Swords. Here I feel that, people are holding on. This is a card of holding on. So people are holding on to whatever they are, maybe for the livelihood, the money that they're getting, because so many of them have lost jobs, and financially they have just burnt out. So whatever they're getting for a livelihood, people are just going and taking those jobs here. So this is about here with this card. It's like this is the clarification. 4 of Swords. It shows that, there are people, they're healing from, lot of people healing from illness. This is the card like healing, or they spiritually, they are spiritually healing, or from they are healing in hospitals still. So it's a card which shows that definitely cases have come down in September, and let's see what October holds for us. See okay, October. Here we see people have started, this is 10 of Pentacles. So it's the foundation, like people had lives earlier, like where they were saving money for their future, they were making the foundation for the future. I think baby steps are phased out. The restrictions are almost lifted, except for few institutions and all, and people have got back to work with their new normal thing, a new normal way of life. So they are working towards this again, the very foundation of their family and the economy of the nation, the economists, the politicians, all trying to put an effort to work towards the foundation that used to be earlier, in 2019. So the work has been started. I feel the cases have really reduced in October, and it's like now the people have a little hope, and although they have the past hasn't been okay. So King of Rods. So King of Rods here showing that he very focused. The leading economists, the bureaucrats, and the politicians, all making have a vision for their country, for the world, to how to get back how to get the economy back to track. So it's a very visionary and thoughtful way of everybody is trying to work towards it. So this is the King of Rods. So everybody is like putting an effort to get the economy back, to cut down the losses, and to get back the same kind of life they had in, towards progress and prosperity. They're trying to fix things basically. Okay, Seven of Cups. See, the Seven of Cups shows that there are still certain illusions. I feel it's regarding a vaccine, that people, a lot of medical professionals, companies and scientists finding towards a vaccine or a treatment. I feel it's still not there. This card represents the vaccine still not there. Maybe work has been going on all the year through, but when they just test and try to find out, it doesn't work. It just that illusion is talking about. Also, it could talk that there are certain places where a second wave of corona could come, but with a much lesser impact. So people might have in certain cities or think that the illusion that the corona has gone and it's not, but it could be, but the impact is really going to be much lesser here. So we had this October, people, the fear is coming down, and also there is compassion and love towards each other here. With this card, I feel that there will be compassion and love towards each other, the brotherhood. But the work on eradication of coronavirus still continues. So this is it for October. Let's check the November card. The Moon card. Here again, I feel that this phase there might be still, I feel it's about vaccine and medicines, or a treatment line of corona. There's still something hiding. There is still something which is unknown. People sometimes do also, this Moon card represents getting very in an emotionally void. They have emotional void because maybe so many of them has lost their near and dear ones, or they have economically gone into very bad condition. So it all talks about the emotional well-being not there. And also that there is something still hidden regarding the coronavirus. I feel the medical professionals and scientists working towards the vaccine still working on and trying to find out the secret behind the corona being there for so long, and still the work continues in November. I mean, it's not gone, but the cases from October, it has further reduced. Still, it's the same thing. It's like October, the people who the cities and places could have a second wave with a much smaller impact of coronavirus. Okay, so here you see people are slowly getting emotionally, feeling emotionally in control, like it is they have a little hope, and although they have lost lot of things, but they are keeping their emotions in control now, and they are trying to get back to that new normal life that we are getting back to the new normal life here. So it's basically controlling emotions and taking the life forward with the new normal standards which have been set due to this pandemic. Oh, great. Wheel of Fortune. I think times are changing here. It's a card. Slowly, this it represents change. So change is coming. I feel Corona just the first step that Corona might slowly go away. I feel that it's not that it's gonna happen overnight, because it's like the world. It also depends. This could be a likely outcome. It is not the outcome for November, if we are following, the guidelines, and we have certain restrictions, and the way we take care of ourselves according to the guidelines, so I feel that we will be successful in coming closer towards eradication of this coronavirus. Yeah. So November definitely something positive. I mean, maybe the cases would just come down, and the people would have hope, and the people will start working towards their future, their better future, regarding maybe it's financial or feeling hopeful, and that sad situation that we all have gone through might just get a little better. But slowly things are changing now. The pandemic will go away. Of course, it's gonna go slow, and it will depend on what kind of efforts we all are putting in together. So November we have, so let me pull a card for December. So I will do this reading till December. Intuition, again the High Priestess card. So let me clarify this card. We got one more, we got this High Priestess card one more time. What is it regarding? Okay, the Temperance. So this is a clarification. It tells us about patience and balance things, and to learn this be intuitive, be balance your negative and positive. We have gone through a lot, all of us have gone through a lot in the past, and in the present, people are going to make a better to carry this energy to the future. So it's talking about balancing your emotions, or balancing the way of life from your past to the present, and we are walking towards the future. So this is what it talks about. It's talking about balance. It's a good card. It's a positive card for December. I feel that people are just leaving away that sadness and misery, and people are more hopeful now. So December looks positive. Maybe the cases have really reduced in December, and people have started balancing and taking the new life, I mean the new normal life forward towards the next year 2021. Okay, so I see with this thing, I don't think so corona is totally gone in this case. Still, there are people, there are situations, there is sadness, there is despair, there is hope. So still corona is still very much here, but it is, I mean, it's almost getting reduced. And with this Temperance card coming here, it's showing that very few cases. But yes, and there are times that people go into this emotional this emotions, that so much thing has happened across the world, and this could also mean that people are understanding now that the universe has certain plans to help us all. We are hopeful. So let me clarify this card one more time. Okay, so Lovers card. So it's just talking about being human, being Lovers card. It's like being together, being in love. In love here means brotherhood across globe, like all of us being standing together to fight this pandemic. We should I mean, it's about universal brotherhood here. The Lovers card meaning with humanitarian compassion, we can fight this pandemic very much. So Lovers card and Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles, again, people are just looking for jobs and going out, because economically it's a bad situation still, and I mean, they want to lay that foundation again. Although restrictions will be there, except very few restrictions, which is for like that new normal category, new normal life, like wearing a mask and hand sanitizing, maintaining social distance, that we have started following. So economy revival also, the work towards economic revival across the globe will be taken. The baby step will just start, although the loss is so immense that it might take years to get back. But there is confidence now. There is confidence, and there will be some relief. But I feel that the search for vaccine still continues. So in December. So just let me clarify this Four of Pentacles one more time. And yeah, so the Moon card, I feel they're still working on the vaccine thing. We get a research done and a medicine comes, and sometimes it might just not work the way we want to, or there might be something still hidden regarding this virus. So I feel December, the cases almost coming down, except for very few cases, and people getting back to the new normal life and starting to work towards their financial goals. Whatever is like, it will not be the same as it used to be earlier, but yes, people definitely have started taking their life forward with certain restrictions still there. Okay, let me put an astrological point of view also. So Saturn, the planet of restrictions and setting boundaries, hard work, karma, will go forward motion from 29th September. It is right now in retrograde. Also Jupiter is it's in retrograde right now, and taking its forward motion from September 13th. So what I feel is that October, from the astrological point of view, I feel that October is the month wherein we could see changes, which Jupiter is the planet of prosperity, of abundance, wish fulfillment. So it just goes, I think from October we will see much of a difference. The cases will come down, and hope of a better life will start from October. So this is what I feel. I feel, and I just feel that this could be an so when Saturn and Jupiter retro comes out of it retrograde, definitely the way we are going to work towards July, August, September, what kind of steps we are taking, what kind of restrictions we are lifting, it all depends on how things go forward. But I feel there's an immense relief for all of us from October onwards, and hopefully first few months, January, February, we might get a vaccine, but that will take up in another reading. So for now, this is it. Thank you. I hope this pandemic just goes off as quickly as possible, and prayers and love to all of you. So thank you. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.